Hi friends, welcome to SL Smart Ideas. Today we are making cream cracker cutlets. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get notified. The ingredients. Come on, let's go to the video. Add oil. Add chopped onion. Add ginger garlic paste. Add green chili, curry leaves, leeks and mustard seeds. Salt, pepper, boiled and smashed potatoes, add water to corn flour or regular flour or egg. Mix very well. Biscuit powder. Keep 5 minutes, then fry. Fry in medium heat or fire. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button to get more awesome videos like these. Delicious cream cracker cutlets are ready. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.